Hello all. Welcome to the second session of operating system installation and setup. So in this second series, we would be discussing about how to run our first program. So let us make a hello world program for the first time. And after that, like we will be trying to create and how to make it run. So in this process, like let us start with like opening the Ubuntu terminal. I have already opened it. So basically Ubuntu terminal is a WSL interface which can be accessed through Windows. So I have already opened it. So you can click on open. So you will be coming till here. And as soon as you want to open it from here, so you can go to code space dot. So this makes to open the local terminal, either VS Code or cursor. So in my case, like I'm using cursor, so let me click on enter. So yeah, so this is the thing like we'll be having. So let us check the file structure and hierarchy. Let me close all, save and close everything. Yeah, perfect. So here we'll be having kernel, mkfs, user, and all these different files and makefile. So if we want to run our own program, let us go into user. Let us create a new file name iitm.c. So we have created a file name iitm.c. So in order to make it run, like we need to fix the path of it. So if you want to fix the path of it, we need to go into makefile. So if we go into makefile, like this is something like copy one of the instance, like user programs. And so if you want to start it, so try to copy the user path $user backslash underscore, then comes iitm. Let me remove the extra space. So this is what the path would be. So let me save this. And after this, let us get into the program. So in order to go into the program, we would be typing as hash. So hash include kernel backslash types dot h. So this is the first thing. Second, so we'll be using three different headers. So kernel dot types, kernel dot start, kernel dot I mean not that kernel hyphen user. So these are the heading part. So let's get into the program. So int main void. So here let us try to printf hello from IIT Madras backslash n. Backslash n is to print the extra characters in the next line. Okay. After this, let us consider exit of 0. So this is the basic program. Let me save it. And after saving it, let me go to makefile and check whether the file iitm.c is present in this user programs folder. Yeah, it is present. Sorry, let me close this. Clicked by mistake. Mm. So now it's the time to run it. So let us type make Yomo. So make Yomo is getting some error. Compilation terminal. So before that, let me clear the QMO stuff. If something is again, let me run it. So yeah, there is no issue now. So QMO has started. So it's the time to check whether our IITM is present or not. So let me click on ls. So ls gives the list of all the programs that are being created. So we need to check whether IITM is created or not. Yeah, so our folder of IITM is here. So if you want to run this IITM, just try to click the name of the folder without any adding anything. So you will be directly getting hello from IITM. That's it. So this is the basic program, how we can design and create it. So in this now let us start into checking the process IDs of this program. So in order to print the process IDs of this program, we would be trying to change a little bit. So in order to change, it's like we are supposed to assign some integer value, like what is the product ID of it. So let me take product ID PID is equal to get PID. So get PID is an existing system call which fetches automatically the number of things that can be processed. So let me copy this print statement and let us try to find the current process ID. So, sorry, my bad. So process ID would be and followed by percentile D backslash N comma product ID followed by semicolon. So this is the line which helps us to find the product ID. So percentile D is the specifier of where we are supposed to pass it. So wherever the percentile D is present, this will be taking the PID values and printing it. So let us run this. So IITM. So execution has been failed. Let me try it as a second time. See, I think this has been still showing the older process. So what shall we do is like, let us stop this process. Again, make QMove run. So it got run and started. Now let us check whether we are in the same folder. Yeah, we are in the same folder, same path. Now let us run. See, we got current hello as hello from ID, the first print statement, and we are currently printing the current process ID, which is 4. So this is the first program. So today we have discussed what is the structure of x86 fold directory, and after that we have tried to run two programs. The first program is how to print the hello world application and how to find the current process ID. So in this the process is saved, like we are supposed to create a folder in user directory, and then we are supposed to give the user path in make files. So in this view program, so these are the list of user programs that are being created, that can be created. So we are supposed to create a path of it, and once you create a path of it, just try to run it from the console. So whenever your building has been failed or something issues has been occurring, so try to kill the terminal session and try to create a new session in the QEMU so that you will be easily able to find it out. As we face some issue here, like even though we have updated the code, saved everything, but the process ID was not reflecting. Reason is like the session needs to be restarted. So from here, like you might have clearly saw this. So you have terminated the QEMU, again restarted the kernel, and again found the correct values. So that's it from today's session. Hope you have learned something from it new. Have a great day. Thank you.